Hi, I would like to share few of my articles and work which helped me get a grade in the teacher's training course which was conducted by P. Delight Fevicryl Hobby Ideas. This was a rigorous online sessions of full 5 days conducted by Hema Mehra ma'am. We had a list of 20 final articles which was to be submitted, and one of them was a folder. So in this video is the PDF version of my folder as such, and also we had to give a live presentation on Facebook for the same. I had made my cover page on the canvas pad of fine arts using primary and secondary colors of the Fevicryl acrylic paints and made this neurographic paint. I had selected an A3 size drawing book for my presentation, and this was its first page which introduced me. I made this on A3 size canvas pad with glass paints and textures using fabric glue, both again from Fevicryl. This was one of the mixed media art that was taught to us, and used it for the first introductory page of my folder. After the resume and the acknowledgement page, I had made this scrapbook page with all the cutouts of the materials that we have used in this session. I also explained about how I used these products as and when I was doing my presentation. Next was about the color wheel, showing the primary, secondary and tertiary color. I had made two color wheels, one with the acrylic colors on paper and the other was with the fabric color on a white fabric. In our introductory session, we were taught about the color theory. So here is a page of that where I had made the tone tints and shades as well. I made different kind of stencil cutouts so that it becomes easy to choose which color theme you want. So this was one of the thing on my next page. I used the primary colors and the secondary color paints and made a stencil of butterfly to paint them. Made few color shading and splattering techniques and a few full color theoretical explanation of warm and cool colors for flat filling, and made one or two such drawings and pasted it on my folder. I also showed different techniques of wet on wet fingerprinting, colors using a toothpick and earbuds, then entangling, brush painting, etc., which I had made to teach in the kids class as such. Another beautiful technique that we learned and made was one stroke painting with round and flat brushes. We learned how to make different textures using the fabric glue and maybe some talcum powder or some paint, and also 3D outliners. The amazing technique of tie and dye using fabric paints and neon colors was taught, and we learned more than 6 to 7 different folds and designs. Made this journal book covers and bookmarks using few of the tie and dye techniques and rainbow fabric colors. We learned many patterns of threadless liquid embroidery, of which few were placed as sample in the folders, and made few as the article. This was made on a purse, and I had used 3 different techniques here. One was Abla technique, and then chain stitch and simple stitch. We also did this patchwork, and this was made by front and back on one of my top. So I simply painted the design on another fabric with fabric colors and glued it down with fabric glue and gave a patchwork stitch on it. Did this fun article called sun printing and made this coat using the stencil. We had to use stencil in one of the articles of fabric painting as well. So I made this 3-layered butterfly stencils and then painted it with neon paints on a black t-shirt. Of course, I added some white acrylic paint on the base. Making this 3D canvas was really therapeutic. Painted the base with acrylic colors first and then decorated with 3D outliners like neon, pearl, metallic and the regular ones. Another time consuming but a very beautiful and a great effect article was the molded canvas. Made the frames, the moon, and the Rumi with the molded itself, allowed it to dry, gave layers to it, and then painted the base with texture of fabric glue and over to it with the acrylic paints. The neon paints and the neon 3D outliners were definitely fun product to use. I made many things out of it. I just couldn't stop myself. I made a canvas of a Zentangling unicorn first of all. Then I painted the t-shirt with loose watercolor technique. Also made this molded earrings and gave the neon 3D outliner designs on them. Made few articles of decoupage technique using the Mod Podge and Fevigum for the crackle effect. Used many acrylic paints for coloring. Added on different canvases with texture canvas painting by using tissues, earbuds, rollers, and many other ways. One of the amazing part of TTC was to make the Indian folk art in an applied manner using Fevicryl art products. To begin with, I made the Kerala mural painting of Kathakali on the Kerala sari with fabric colors, and I also wore this in my presentation. The next what I did was the Wali folk art of Maharashtra on a bookmark and on a kettle and a glass set. We also learned home decor articles of Gond folk art of the Gond tribe and Madhubani art from Madhya Pradesh. We made few samples for the folder, and I also painted this Kachni Madhubani art on the front panel of the kurti. We learned many different placement ideas on fabric as well. This was a very calming article that we made. It was about the blue pottery of Rajasthan folk. We used the glass paints for this, and this is like a centerpiece for the table, or it can also be used as a wall clock. A super technique was taught to us called the Dabu print technique, which had this indigo base, and we learned how to make different kind of blocks from vegetable, from sponge, etc. And we made this prints on it with white fabric color. I pasted a sponge sheet on a blank panel, and on that I pasted this Dabu print fabric to make a vision board. We learned how to make the molded jewelry in a filigree style from Orissa. And the final article was the Kalamkari folk art, which is folk art of Andhra Pradesh. We made a canvas out of it. So these were the articles that I learned, made and presented in the teacher's training course by Fevicryl Pidilite, and I got an A grade for that, and I'm thankful for everybody in the House of Pidilite for arranging such creative courses for people like us to learn more. I, Himali, a member of Fevicryl Art Expert Panel, thank you all for watching this video. Do like and share this video with anyone who you think would like to benefit from or would like to see and know about TTC more. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.